it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got a really cool product here. This is the Roamate 3-in-1 wheelchair. It's a manual wheelchair, electric wheelchair. It's a rollator. Let me show you what I mean. So here in electric wheelchair form, all you have to do, ready to go. It's foldable too, guys, which is really cool. You just get on here and you go. I think it's really kind of nice to be able to do that, and really kind of like, it's a game changer for those that need assistance out there. And it's really light. I'm going to go over all the specs while I'm out here taking it out and about in today's video. I'm actually going to have some help today because I know somebody that could take advantage of this without a doubt. And so I want to see if this is something she can use, she can take advantage of. As far as folding it up, it just literally folds up like this. And these pedals go up, which is really nice, and then this will just go down. So you can fold it really, really small. Another cool thing about this is not only is it the wheelchair, but you got these little releases right here, and you could raise this up and kind of make it like a motorized little like walker, you know? So you could actually, can kind of go like this too, whether it's manual or just kind of lock it into place how you want it. If you want it a little bit higher, kind of set it up. I think this is a good height for my height. And now you have a walker, which is kind of nice. And it's actually got a parking brake setting as well.
Lock mode.
Press that, it says lock mode. There's 3 different speeds on here, and I'm gonna go over all of that in today's video, but I wanna get it out there and in somebody's hands that can really take advantage of something like this, because I think this is a game changer. This is by far the lightest electric wheelchair that I've ever seen, and to be able to fold down so incredibly small is, to me, pretty darn awesome. I love this thing. This is going to be so much fun. Stay tuned.
All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me low, I've been high. I've been high.
All right, so we're out here testing this thing out, and I wanted to test it with some hills. I wanted to see what kind of range we could get, all of that. And so that's why we're out here at the park. And I gotta tell you guys, this thing is really designed for freedom, safety, and really the ultimate mobility. It is an electric wheelchair, as you can see how we're testing it in today's environment, but it's also a manual wheelchair and a smart rollator. It's kind of everything all in one, which is something I've never seen before. It is lighter, it's more portable, and it is smarter than traditional wheelchairs. The Roamate is built to take you further with ease, without question. You know, I don't know if you've ever had to deal with manual wheelchairs. I have quite a bit, and I gotta tell you, with something like this, it's nice because you don't have that rolling back or sudden downhill rushes. Roamate has something called an AI Smart Speed Control, which automatically adjusts assistance and resistance based on the terrain. Keeping you safe is super important, and stable is just as important. And when you're cruising on flat ground or tackling an incline of up to 12 degrees, which this can handle, you want to do it safely. And the AI Smart Speed Control was a great idea that they did incorporate into this wheelchair. Now, like I mentioned, a little bit of rough terrain, it's really not a problem with something like this because it is more powerful than traditional electric wheelchairs. So it easily handles grass, gravel, uneven paths, all of that, as you can see in our video right here. We're testing it across this bridge, which is incredibly bumpy and quite an incline. It's having no problems at all. And another cool thing about this is the turning radius. You literally can turn this thing on a dime. It rates it at a 25.6-inch turning radius. It just seemed like it was just going in circles. I really enjoyed it, and so did my rider here. You can really glide through tight indoor spaces with this, and that's something that I think a lot of people are looking for with electric wheelchairs. A lot of these electric wheelchairs nowadays are just so big and bulky, and this thing is incredibly lightweight. It's under 32 pounds, plus it's a one-step fold design, which transforms into a compact 24-inch suitcase size, which really makes it perfect for travel. And Yes, you guessed it. It is airline approved. People are always asking me about that with these wheelchairs. This one is airline approved. And one of the things I wanted to do out here was test the battery life. One charge, endless adventures, that's what I want. And this has a high capacity battery which lasts 12.4 miles on a single charge. So you really could explore this all day without a worry. And that's incredible to have that kind of a range in such a lightweight unit like this. I don't know how they do it. I'm not complaining. I think it's a fantastic option for somebody that needs to get around. And the mobility of this is just incredible. I mean, it's lighter, it's smarter, it's more powerful than anything I've ever seen. The Roamate 3-in-1 really is designed for the ultimate independence. I hope you enjoyed today's video on the Roamate 3-in-1 electric wheelchair. I know this is going to help a lot of people, and so that's why I wanted to share it with you. It's a brand new product, and there's nothing like it on the market. It's so convenient to be able to just get in and go. I can see so many uses for this for somebody that maybe struggles with long walks. You can go garage sailing, you can go through the mall, you can go to the park. Just go through the neighborhood and walk your dog. I can see you going to the zoo. Places you wouldn't normally be able to go, you can now go because you have something like this. And you don't have to just sit in it the whole time. Like I said, you can get in and walk, so you could actually kind of rehabilitate yourself. You know, I recently went through a pretty bad knee injury, and so for me to be able to have something like this last year would have been a game changer, to be able to have something to help me walk. And then when I just couldn't anymore, my knee was swelled up, I could just get in it and I could go. I just think that is just such a cool thing. And this thing turns on a dime. I mean, this is a really nice electric wheelchair. And I've seen these, even if your insurance covers some of it, I've seen some of these go for thousands and thousands of dollars. And the price point on this thing is insane. I'll put links down in the description section of this video where you can get this. And if I find any discount codes, I always try to include those in my videos. I love the way this thing folds up. I put it in the back of my truck, but you could fit this easily into an SUV and even some sedans if you have decent sized trunk. I love that it does that because it is just incredible. And again, I'll put links to where you can get this, and any questions you have about this, please feel free to comment down below. I've tested this out for a little while. This is something that I'm going to make sure that I get in the hands of anybody that needs it, and I want to get it to you at the lowest possible price because I think everybody should be free to move about, and this can do that without a doubt. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you like content like this, please just take a moment and subscribe to our channel. We do videos like this all the time. Thanks again, everybody. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.